Welcome. In this definitive guide, we will walk you through the precise steps required to permanently delete your Instagram account in 2025. While Instagram offers a temporary deactivation option, this video focuses on the complete and irreversible removal of your profile and data. We understand this is a significant decision, and we're here to provide you with the clarity and confidence to execute it correctly. Remember, this action is permanent, so ensure you've considered all implications. Let's begin with the process on the Instagram mobile application. Open the app and navigate to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Within this menu, find and tap on Account Center. Scroll down again and locate Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here you'll see the option Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram profile. You will then be presented with two options: Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Instagram will ask for a reason for deleting your account. Select the most relevant option and tap Continue. Finally, you will be prompted to re-enter your password to confirm the deletion. Once you've entered your password, tap Delete Account. A confirmation message will appear, reiterating the permanent nature of this action. Confirm your decision, and the deletion process will begin. It's important to remember that even after initiating the deletion, your profile will remain visible to others for up to 30 days. This is a grace period, allowing you to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. To do so, simply log back into your account within this time frame. After the 30-day period, the deletion process is complete, and your data will be permanently removed. This action is irreversible. Take this time to reflect on your decision and ensure it aligns with your long-term well-being.